Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to boost engine performance, improve fuel economy, and keep your car running smooth? Then you'll love today's video. We're reviewing the best car injector cleaners that break down carbon buildup, restore fuel flow, and keep your engine in top shape. All the product links are in the description below, so let's pop the hood and find the right cleaner for your ride. Number 5. Gumout Fuel System Cleaner. Gumout Fuel System Cleaner in a 6-pack is made for vehicles that have traveled more than 75,000 miles. It is created to support engine performance by helping remove carbon deposits that build up over time. This cleaner is added into the fuel tank and works while the engine runs, requiring no mechanical work or tools for use. Older engines can often collect residue in key parts such as fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. These areas play a big role in delivering fuel and air into the engine. When buildup forms, the engine may become less responsive and use more fuel than necessary. Gumout is designed to clean these parts to help restore smoother performance and improved fuel use. This product may also be used to help reduce harmful emissions by maintaining cleaner engine components. When deposits are cleared out, fuel can burn more completely and efficiently. That can result in lower emissions and improved combustion quality. Some drivers use it as part of their routine maintenance to prevent the return of buildup. This cleaner is considered safe for use in vehicles with oxygen sensors, as well as turbocharged and supercharged engines. That makes it a possible option for a wide variety of car types, including both standard and performance vehicles. It is also made to meet original manufacturer standards and will not impact factory warranties. Number 4. Leaky Moly Valve Clean. Leaky Moly Valve Clean is a liquid engine treatment packaged in a 150 milliliter container. It is made for use in gasoline engines and is added directly into the fuel tank. This cleaner is designed to support proper engine function by addressing valve cleanliness, which is an important part of the combustion process in vehicles. Over time, engines can develop deposits that affect how fuel and air move through the intake system. These deposits may lower efficiency and reduce overall performance. Leaky Moly Valve Clean is developed to help remove those buildups, allowing for smoother operation and more effective fuel burning. This product is suitable for a wide range of vehicles and is considered a universal fit. Drivers use it to support better engine performance, especially in engines that may experience rough idling, loss of power, or reduced fuel economy due to internal residue. When used regularly, it may also help reduce the formation of new carbon deposits. In addition to cleaning, this treatment is made to help lower fuel usage by allowing the engine to burn fuel more efficiently. Fewer deposits can also lead to reduced exhaust emissions, which supports cleaner engine operation and contributes to meeting emission standards. Another feature of this cleaner is its protective properties. It is designed to help prevent corrosion in the fuel system and may also reduce the chance of carburetor icing in cold temperatures, which can cause engine performance problems during colder weather. Although this product has not been personally tested by the user, it is well reviewed and often purchased by those looking to support the long-term health of their engine. It is offered by Leaky Moly, a brand known for producing automotive additives and maintenance fluids. Number 3. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer in a 20-ounce bottle is designed to support the maintenance of gasoline engines. It is added directly into the fuel tank and works as the vehicle runs. This liquid treatment is made to clean the entire fuel system while also acting as a fuel stabilizer. Over time, engines can experience buildup from carbon and other particles found in fuel. These deposits can cause a reduction in engine power, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle performance. This product is made to help clean parts such as fuel injectors and combustion chambers where these deposits can collect. Cleaner components may result in smoother engine function. This cleaner is also designed to support fuel economy. With cleaner injectors and more efficient combustion, engines can use less fuel while providing consistent power. Drivers who focus on performance may use this type of product to maintain their vehicle's responsiveness and power output over time. Some vehicle owners look for ways to reduce the pollutants their cars release into the air. Number 2. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner in a 16 fluid ounce bottle is created to support engines by helping remove harmful carbon deposits. It is poured directly into the fuel tank, and it is made to work through the fuel and exhaust systems. This cleaner is suitable for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid vehicles. It is made to assist in keeping various engine parts clean, such as catalytic converters, diesel particulate filters, and oxygen sensors. Engines can lose performance over time when carbon builds up in important components. This buildup may trigger warning lights and cause vehicles to fail emissions inspections. Cataclean is designed to help prevent these issues by targeting areas where deposits form and reducing buildup that interferes with engine performance. Some drivers use this product as a step before an emissions test to improve their vehicle's chances of passing. It is made to be easy to use and does not require special tools or mechanical knowledge. The liquid is poured into the fuel tank following the instructions, and it works as the car is driven. This product may help improve fuel combustion by cleaning the injectors and cylinder heads, which can lead to better mileage and smoother running conditions. Some people report that using this cleaner has helped clear check engine warning lights, potentially avoiding the need for more expensive mechanical fixes. Cataclean is labeled as non-toxic and does not have a strong scent. It is offered by a brand known for making vehicle treatment solutions. Although not personally tested by the user, this cleaner is widely reviewed and bought by many vehicle owners looking for a simple maintenance product to support engine and emissi. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner in a 20 fluid ounce bottle is designed to support the performance of gasoline engines. It is made to be poured directly into the fuel tank. This concentrated liquid is created to target carbon buildup inside the engine that comes from regular fuel use. Without cleaning, engines may suffer from reduced fuel efficiency, lower power output, and hesitation during acceleration. Over time, engines collect unwanted deposits, especially from gasoline that may not burn completely clean. When the inside of the engine becomes coated with these particles, fuel does not burn efficiently and performance drops. Techron is engineered to help reduce these issues by cleaning out the buildup, allowing the engine to return to better functioning conditions. Using this cleaner helps maintain a smoother idle and supports better cold starts, especially in colder seasons when engines typically face more difficulty. It also helps keep the fuel system stable for a longer period. People using this product aim to keep their vehicles running more smoothly without needing expensive mechanical servicing. This item comes from Chevron, a company known for fuel technology. Though the user has not personally tested it, the cleaner is frequently bought and rated highly by others.